Come here, hold my hand. What we're gonna do is we're gonna check. No, we're not gonna hurt. Touch the baby. It's okay, Trevor. It's okay. Here we go. That's all. So we're gonna look under here and make sure that the mama's in there. See up under here where the milk is? All right. We want to make sure that the baby's nursed, and it looks like she has. And look, baby's just sleeping. She's using those nice, warm, cozy manure piles as pillows. He's a girl. That's the one I carried the other day.
Let's try not to go behind the horse.
What'd you say, Lydia?
Let's try not to go behind the horse.
You're trying not to go behind the horse? How come?
Mom.
How come?
Yeah, you do. You don't want the horse to hurt you, right? Give her space and talk to her.
What, brother?
What?
What'd you say? You said mom?
Oh.
Lydia. The barn floor is nasty. Look. Oh my gosh.
At the baseball game we played the other day, Tate was eating on sunflower seeds, and it was crab, shrimp, and fish flavored with sunflower seeds. It was amazing.
That makes me want to puke.
It was amazing. Sunflower seeds?
What are you talking about yourself like that for?
Lydia, what's the first one's name?
What's this horse right here? No, let Lydia tell me.
I call her Nosy. Nosy!
Yeah, what'd you call her yesterday, though?
I can't see it from here.
Sneaky Peaky?
Sneaky Peaky.
And what's this one's name?
Come here, girl.
Angel horse.
Yeah. What's the...
Lydia is Nosy.
Lydia, what's the third one's name? What do you call him?
Come here.
Yeah, you do. The one that I said's not nice name?
Her mane's not that long.
His.
His mane's not that long.
No, none of them's girls, but none of these are girls. Their manes are little because they're young. They're not even a year old.
Oh.
They haven't even been born yet this time.
I thought they got a haircut.
Lydia.
So that one's Sneaky Pete,
Sneaky Peaky.
Sneaky Peaky. And this one over here is what now?
Lydia, what's my name? What's my horse's name?
Angel horse.
Yeah. She calls the third one Creepy.
Creepy. And what's that? Azul?
Yeah,
Can't see him. No.
I saw baby kittens.
Let me see.
Mm.
So tell me about him.
Okay. When Evie got all the babies when they were born, they're supposed to be 4. There was 4, except one died.
Oh man.
Well, we don't know what happened to the fourth one.
Yes, we do. It died.
We don't know what happened to it though. Look, I gotta put 2 bells over there.
And
Oh, Daddy's gonna put hay right where we're standing.
She got mad.
I have to get something.
What?
It's like a tractor, a pretend tractor. It's a real tractor, but it's little. No, see. I'll get it.
She said I gotta show you a tractor. It's real. It's a real tractor, but it's little.
Other way. Now keep going back. All right, go forward. Go back.
Turn your wheel.
Yeah, keep turning that way. Now go all the way back. Go all the way back. Keep turning. All right, now turn your wheel the other way. Now go forward as far as you can. Alright, now turn your wheel the other way. Back up. Nope.
Nope.
Keep going back.
Now be careful, don't hit the leader.